Hello everybody, it's me Charlotte. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a fantastic day so far today. Today's video, I must say I am excited about. I had went on to Premier Yarn's website and I noticed that they had a mystery bag. And if you follow me on Facebook, I actually shared that with you guys on Facebook and provided the link so you guys could check it out for yourself. Their mystery bags are $9.99 each, and you get 6 skeins of yarn. I chose the worsted weight one. You can get worsted weight, bulky, or super bulky, I think. I'm not sure, don't quote me. But I chose the worsted weight one, so I'll get 6 skeins of worsted weight yarn. And I think it said on there that it was 3 skeins of the same thing, so you'll get 3 skeins of the same type of yarn, and then another 3 skeins of the same type of yarn. Hope that makes sense. I have not opened it yet, so I don't know what's inside, but I will tell you, this is what it looks like when it comes. It comes in a big, like, Premier bag that is shipped in, and then this is inside of it, and the seal has already broken. I have not looked inside, I promise. It's been very hard to, but it literally just broke, like, right before I turned my camera on, so I have not looked inside, but it feels nice. We're gonna go over this, so if you want to check Premier Yarn's mystery bag out, you can do so by, there'll be a link in the description below. Check that out if you want to. I don't know when it'll get to you. I know this arrived pretty quick. I'm pretty excited actually on how fast it arrived to my house. I think I ordered it either on Thursday or Friday. I want to say it was Friday. Today's Monday and it's already here. So pretty pleased with how fast the shipping was on that. I know I checked out Lion Brand's Secret Santa sack of yarn, I think that's what they're calling it, but it's never ever in stock. It like sells out so quickly, or they're just done with it. I'm not sure, but I check it practically every day and it's always sold out. So then I went to Yarnspirations and they had a mystery yarn bag as well, but it had some bad reviews, so I decided not to get that one. So then I checked out Premier Yarns, and I've never ordered anything off Premier Yarns website before. I must say I'm pretty pleased with it. And this was $9.99 and you get 6 skeins of mystery yarn. So we're going to look inside here, see what I got. This is my first yarn mystery bag, so I'm kind of excited. Let me know if you guys have ever ordered a yarn mystery bag before. If you were pleased, if you liked it, let me know in the comments below. Before we get into this though, before I open it, real quick, I know I'm sorry, I want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so now. Click the bell icon, you'll be notified when I upload new videos, and there are always links in the description below. Check those out if you'd like to. Alright, let's just open this mystery bag from Premier Yarns. Like I said, I've never ordered yarn directly off Premier Yarns website, and I was actually pretty pleased. So here it is. It's nothing really special or great about the bag. I know the Lion Brand bag had like a nice red Santa sack, which was actually really cute, but here you just get a plastic bag. So let's open it up. Again, I ordered the worsted weight, and let's see what we got. Okay. Oh, wow. This here is Candy Shop. Have you guys ever used Candy Shop before? I don't think I've ever used Candy Shop yarn before. Let's take it out of the package and see. Now it says it's worsted weight. I don't know if it's just very soft, I can tell you that. Very, very soft and squishy, like yarn should be. I actually really like it. Here's the colorway, the colors, and the color is Razzle. Nice name, but it is really super soft. I've never used this before. They're saying it's a worsted weight. Let's see. I'll try to take out, get close to the camera. And this is what it looks like. It's like striped yarn. So very cool. I think it's maybe it is a worsted weight. It's like a bigger worsted weight, I would call it. But this is what I got. I got 3 of these, so pretty cool. Maybe I'll do a review on Candy Shop yarn in the future, and we'll see if I like it, because I've never used it before. So we'll check that out. And then, what else did I get? Now I got this stuff, and this is Premier Everyday, which I have used this before. It's the anti-pilling yarn, so it doesn't get all fuzzy and gross like after you wash it and stuff. So let's see what this is like. And I have used this before, like I said, it is soft. Most yarn is soft. Some yarn is, the majority of yarn is soft. And you get 180 yards per skein. Oh, I didn't tell you how many yards you get in this. You get 260 yards in this, and it's 100% acrylic. So, very nice, but I can't get over how soft it is. super soft and squishy. And this is a worsted weight, of course. And you get 180 yards per skein, anti-pilling, which like I said means no fuzzies. Even though I see fuzzies, I don't know really, I don't know. What is anti-pilling? I thought anti-pilling was like no fuzzies. Maybe it's like no little like balls of fabric or material. I'm not sure. Let me know. I think that's what anti-pilling means. And the colorway on this is Blue Heather. Very pretty yarn. I actually like the color. I don't know if I like this bright blue. It's really not in my color wheel of favorite colors, or the bright blues. But it might look nice when it's worked up. And of course I'm going to knit a hat with both of these just to see how they look. But yeah, that's what I got. So I got 3 of the Premier Everyday, same colorway. That's probably what, I don't know if every worsted weight bag will be the same colorway. They might change up the colors. I don't know if it's going to be the same color for every bag, but let me know if you ordered one of these, what colors you got, if you got the worsted weight, if they were the same colors as mine, because I'm not sure if they change up the colors. But I got 3 of these, very nice, and I got 3 of the Candy Shop. So very nice. Again, it was $9.99, 6 skeins of yarn. I mean, it's not horrible. So, I mean, yeah, I think these are usually like probably $4 a skein, and these are probably even more. So it's it's a good deal. So let me know if you ordered the Premier Mystery Yarn Bag. Like I said, I put it on my Facebook, and you can follow me on Facebook if you haven't already. I always kind of try to share stuff that I find on the internet about free yarn, or not free yarn, but yarn that's on sale or sales that they're having. So that was what I got in my Premier Mystery Yarn Bag. I keep wanting to say Yarn Inspirations. It's such a fun word to say. But it was Premier Yarns. So I'm pretty pleased. Actually really like it. It's super soft yarn. I really can't, like I said, I've never used Candy Shop before. And I'm actually surprised on how soft and squishy it is. Like, do you guys ever just get your yarn and just sit there and like squeeze it and feel it? I do that a lot. I don't know if I'm weird. I know I'm weird. I can't be the only one though that just likes to sit there and squeeze yarn balls. But yeah, that's what I do. Alright guys, so that was my, like I said, Premier Yarn Mystery Bag. I paid $9.99 for it, and it got here pretty quick. So let me know, like I said, in the comments below if you ordered one, if you ordered the worsted weight one, if you got the same colors. I'm eager to know. And if you'd like to check it out for yourself, again, there'll be a link in the description below. I'm not affiliated with Premier Yarns. I'm not sponsored. There's no codes. There's nothing. It's just something that I found and I paid for with my own money, and I'm sharing it with you guys. So check that out if you want. And yeah, maybe I think I'm going to do a review on this yarn, like a more in-depth review. And like we'll go over it and see what it's like. I actually have another yarn that I purchased from Premier Yarns with this order that I've never used before, so I thought I would do a review on that as well. So that's going to be it for today, you guys. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so now. Click that bell icon. You'll be notified when I upload new videos. And like again, I've always said, there are links in the description below. Check those out if you want. I will tell you that all the hoodies in the merch store are 10% off when you use code YARNSEASON. And yeah, that's pretty much all that's going on. And there's a Knit Crate link down there if you want to check out Knit Crate, which I will have a review of December's Knit Crate coming soon. So stick around if you want, subscribe if you haven't already, and that's going to be it for today. So until next time, oh, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up because it kind of helps out my channel, and I would really appreciate it. So until next time, I hope you all have a super wonderful, fabulous day. Happy knitting, happy crocheting, and bye.